Hi guys, Ken Chigbo aka NFP Freak, and I'm back with another week roundup and look ahead to the key event. So you'll be seeing here, dollar has been rallying for 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive weeks, and that's very much just been the case since the FOMC, the central bank rate decision, where they indicated that they'd start tapering, withdrawing some of their stimulus from the market. They're to start raising rates next year, so in 2022 and in 2023. And what we're going to start seeing is a growing potential monetary policy divergence between the FOMC, and the dollar, and other major central banks, likes of the ECB, Euro, Bank of Japan, JPY. So what it only means one thing: dollar has advantage over the rest of these currencies, given the action there to be taken by the FOMC. So I'm expecting some further upside for the dollar. We cleared above all this range here. You see how we're ranging for weeks, very choppy price action, breaking firmly above that range, and we printed fresh highs for this year, for 2021. With a lot of this dollar strength this week, we really capitalized across our community on some serious moves, guys, for sort of ongoing fundamental analysis, technical analysis, trade ideas. Go to my Instagram, Real Ken Chigbo, REAL Ken Chigbo. Click the link in my bio and join our communities. You don't want to miss out, because I'm looking to close those up soon as well, in terms of for new members. So do check that out. We took advantage last week of Euro, big breakout to the downside here from Euro. I'll show you what we did really, and it was just after seeing sort of, let's remove this trend line, we don't need this here. You see this little one top, two tops, sort of a double top there. We had this neckline area here, where we actually capitalized on the breakout of this. This is the neckline of our sort of double top area, and it's big support anyway, and we flushed through that. Now if you drop on the lower time frame, you see this is what's beautiful, forming sort of flag structure here, right, which we see a bit of consolidation. That's going to be opening the door for another wave of downside momentum. So that's exactly what we capitalized on, just with a number of other confluences from the higher time frames. I'm just going to give you something to keep an eye on this week, right? GBP dollar, can you see, let's drop down to the daily. Can you see this head and shoulders potentially? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Look, we've had a breakout and we're retesting this neckline. So it's something for you to keep an eye on, in terms of specific trade ideas around that, when I enter, so on and so forth. As I say, join the communities by clicking the link in my bio, and check that out. If you have any questions, DM me. I'm always happy to help. Same with AED. We've got the RBA rate decision this week, where they're going to be dovish, they're going to stay dovish. We're not expecting anything there, we know that. And what we had here is this narrowing pennant structure, this range, boring price action, breakout. We capitalized on here as well in our members community, because we had a retest of this pennant anyway, flag formed, nice little evening start, and then a change in momentum, shift to the downside and capitalizing towards our next zone. Keep an eye on this retest here as well. Alright, something also to keep an eye on is dollar yen, right? We had this huge, we were stuck within this range for many years, right? Big flag structure as well. Flag here, which we capitalized on, a big breakout of the range, and now it's had a bit of a pullback. Right, just watch this pullback at the moment, because dips are likely to be bought, as I explained the monetary policy divergence between the FOMC and the Bank of Japan. FOMC are acting, Bank of Japan are not so much, So, going to be a bit of an advantage there for dollar over yen. As I say this week, just keep an eye on the RBA, the RBNZ, not expecting much. They're going to hawk, they're going to raise rates, probably a dovish tone to accompany that. Got labour market data, which is going to be big, obviously for the United States, because that could give the final nod for the FOMC to start tapering next month in November. Guys, please do not hesitate to check out our communities. As I say, a ton of value going there to help you become an all-rounded trader. If you are looking for funding, please do not hesitate with BluFX, because guys, the best funding solution out there, I've done some comparisons, the best funding solution out there for someone like yourself to become an all-rounded trader. They've got strict risk parameters in play, which are going to be beneficial to you, help you with your discipline, help you grow. So I wouldn't think twice about it. Other than that, have an amazing week. Let's kill it. Let's get it.